In this video, we will see how we can work on this Raspberry Pi 4. So this is the Raspberry Pi 4. It is a single board computer. As you can see, it's a credit card size computer. So all of the components which you see on the desktop PC, it will be similar but with a smaller form factor. So there are different types of Raspberry Pi in the market. For example, this is a Raspberry Pi 4. We also get Raspberry Pi 3, Raspberry Pi 0, Raspberry Pi Pico, which is microcontroller. But this is a single board computer. So let's look at each of these components present on the board. Okay. So first thing is the this port which you see here. It's an Ethernet port. Beside this, you will see this USB, which is in blue color. So these are USB 3.0, and these two are USB 2. So on top there you can see this headers. So these are like 40 pins header for GPIO connections. Below this, you can see this chip, which is a 2.4/5 gigahertz wireless or Bluetooth. So it supports both Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth connectivity. So this is the chip for that. Then we have this important thing, which is the processor. Beside this, we have the RAM. So this is Raspberry Pi 4, and it has this model has I have purchased this. It's a 4 GB model. So the RAM which you see here is the 4 GB. Okay, and then we have this port which is for display. So it's open in this way, and we need to connect the ribbon cable over here and just press it. Also, we have the connection for the camera um, over here in this slot. This is for display and this is for camera. So we will power this board using this USB type C. So this is powered by 5 volt power. Beside this, we have this two HDMI ports. This is micro HDMI, which support 4K displays. So both of them support 4K displays. Then this is the 4 pole stereo audio connection. This one. On the back side, you can see lots of small components. This important thing is this micro SD card slot. So this is the micro SD card. We just need to slide this. So this is the connector for that. The micro SD card will have the operating system. The operating system will run on this SD card. And so let's see how we can upload the OS in this micro SD card. For that, we need this SD card reader. You can easily get it from the store. You just need to insert this SD card. So you just need to insert the SD card in this way, and this USB-A you should connect it to the laptop. So let's see the further process of installing OS in this SD card. Let's jump to our PC. In order to install the OS for the Raspberry Pi, search for Raspberry Pi Imager. Click on this first link, raspberrypi.com software. So the official website of Raspberry Pi will open. I am using the Windows, so I will download the Windows imager. So you just need to click on this download for Windows. So you can see the downloading has started. Open the imager once you have completed the download. A new window opens up which shows the setup. Click on this install. So the installation is complete now. You just need to click on finish and it will run the Raspberry Pi imager. So the imager is installed successfully. Raspberry Pi imager version 1.7.5. Now we need to select the operating system. Raspberry Pi supports different operating systems. You can click on any of this which you want. I will click on this Raspberry Pi OS. After that, I will select the storage. So my storage is 16 GB SD card. So it is showing that mass storage device USB device. Just click on it, and after that you need to click on this write. So it will ask that all of the data which is present on this SD card will be erased and this fresh OS will be installed. You just need to click on this yes. So it has started the flashing the OS to the SD card. It will take some time to finish writing. It's almost completed verifying the image. Once it is completed, it will show write successfully. You can now remove the SD card from the reader. Click on continue and remove the SD card or the USB reader. So this is the Raspberry Pi, and on the back side we have the SD card. We just need to insert it in this way. Now let's connect the HDMI port, power supply and the mouse and the keyboard just as we connect it to the normal computer.